slight back pains and also shoulder pains and neck pains, especially when I wake up in the morning. So we found out about a doctor here online, and
let me check it once where is the exact problem is. Yeah. It's paining here?
yep,
Okay. This?
yep,
This side?
yep,
Okay. Here?
not so much.
Yeah. This?
Yes,
Okay. Can you lift it?
yep.
It's paining?
Now it is slightly.
So you can see the movements also restricted. It's completely is not coming. Okay. This side? See.
Yeah.
You can see
Yes.
it's moving in pain. See.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
coming. This? See. It's very hard. You can clearly see the neck also so protruded here. Yeah, can you stand here? You can look here. See.
Yes.
You can see there is a round shoulder.
Uh-huh.
So the shoulder level and ear level should be in a straight line.
Oh.
See? So actually it should be like this.
Fix your posture.
Yes. Yeah. Like that? Right. No, straight up. Look it up. Look it up. Okay. Relax. So do you before you have a chiro section, this is the first time.
That's my
This is the first.
first time. Yes.
Sure. Okay. Relax. Just breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
That was quick, right?
Yeah.
So feeling great?
Yeah.
Okay. Relax.
Yeah. Wow. It's like I can even breathe better.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's been asking me to keep pulling his
Yes,
neck.
Yes.
I will teach some exercise after the session. You have to maintain that. So mostly while breathing automatically is bending his neck. I think so.
Mm.
That's the main reason.
Yes.
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 Yeah. Can you come a little bit down? Yeah. I know. So keep it like this. Okay. Can you relax? Breathe in. Breathe out.
Ouch. That felt good.
Yes. Yeah. Turn this side. I'm going to fix your lower back also today.
Okay.
Yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. Yeah. Can you hold it for me?
Yes.
Good. Relax. This one straight. Relax. Relax. Fine.
Yep.
Turn this side. Come closer. Yeah. Relax. Relax. Yeah. Hold it for me. Relax.
Felt that one.
So breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Okay?
Yeah.
So turn back. So relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep it like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. So breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So the upper trapezius muscle is very tight.
Yep.
Yeah, you can feel more pain here.
Yep.
Yes, yes. Yes, breathe in and breathe out. Yes, breathe in and breathe out. Good. It's hurting more.
Yes.
So the deep muscles are so tight here. See this side you can.
Yes. Just satisfied.
Yes.
Right. Ouch.
Relax, relax, relax. Sit straight. Yes. See now lift your hand. See.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
So before?
Okay. It's easy.
Wow. Oh my gosh, next time I'm coming here.
So how do you feel now?
Good. I feel
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight, sit straight. Yes. Can you come once? Again. Sit straight. So before you can see.
Yes.
Now the shoulder level, knee level is straight.
Straight.
So due to your bad posture only, you are getting problem this. You have to sit straight. Okay. I'll teach you some exercise more and you have to do it.
Okay.
Now you can see clearly the difference.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Which part of America you came from?
Virginia.
Virginia.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so one of my friends is staying there.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
good, good.
So you are going back
Today.
today to
Yeah.
Virginia.
To Virginia.
Yes,
Yep.
yes,
Yes.
So how do you feel the treatment here in India?
Good, good. Good so far, so good.
So
Yeah.
what's your complete name?
King.
King.
Raju.
Wow.
My name.
It's a king of America.
Yes, Raju.
Yes.
Yes.
Very happy to treat you.
Absolutely.
So
Thank you for
now
having
to
me.
US people.
Yes.
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 Thank you.
And we'll definitely be coming back, God willing.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how do you feel now after the session? What's the difference you see from your husband?
Yeah.
You can say.
No.
Yes. Before I showed to you, the movements is not completely.
Yeah. So his posture, his neck is aligned, and his arm is able to raise.
Lift
He
it
always had pain,
Yes.
and his neck too.
Can you
So.
lift it and show it once?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, that is so amazing. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for your services.
Yes.